guys, welcome back to another episode of Unlock with Bernali, and this is Millie, and she wanted to say every one of you a big hello, right? So she have got all the attention that she needed. Before she starts disturbing me in my video again, let me just put her down. Okay, so today in this video, I am going to give you everything you ever wanted in your life. Sounds like a treat, right? So basically in this video today, we are going to talk about manifestation and law of attraction. This video is specially dedicated to everybody who has immense trust on the universe and their creator. And if you do not fall in this category, you can very well skip this video. So let's begin. So many of you must have seen or heard about this book called The Secret. The Secret is an episode where they talk about how do you manifest anything you want in your life, how do you attract the things that you have ever dreamt of and make it a reality. Now many people who have done this process have told me that they are not being able to manifest what they wanted, no matter how much they tried. Now why does it happen that we, despite of trying to manifest anything, but that does not come true? Because there is a way to do it, and I'm going to tell you about the ways to do it, and I'm going to tell you a small easy technique through which your message can reach to the universe without any kind of interruption. Now many a times what people do is that they command the universe or they tell the universe to manifest something which they do not themselves believe in. For an example, somebody would come across and say, I would want $10,000 or 1 crore rupees. Or somebody would say, I just want a Ferrari standing in my parking the next day. It cannot be possible. You go back to your regime, you go back to your thoughts. Do you actually think it is possible? It is actually not possible, right? For somebody who has this note in themselves, oh, let me just try it for fun, and it might happen or it might not. That means you are dwelling 50-50 in terms of manifestation. In order to get whatever you want, you need to have full trust before you command the universe about your manifestation. For an example, when you do money manifestation, now money manifestation is about the money, but not always hard cash. Money can come in terms of cash, it can come through checks, it can come through gift vouchers, or somebody gifting you any asset which has good monetary value. It can happen in the next 24 hours if you start believing that it will happen. Now what happens is that think about a realistic goal. Think about, do not start giving numbers, or do not limit your manifestation by saying 1 crore rupees or $100,000. It's better you say, I want money within this next 24 hours, and universe, I'm sending this message to you. If you are going to give me this, please give me signs. Can I see a yellow car right outside my house? Can I see a yellow flower right inside my house? Can I see somebody wearing a yellow color dress suddenly appears in front of me? Give me signs, and I'm sure the universe is also ready to give you signs that your message is being delivered and you are about to get the lovely present that you asked for. So the number one point is that you need to be very clear about what you are asking for. If you are asking for an ideal partner, suppose you are asking for a girl or a boy who is 6 feet, who is this, who is that, and you have your checklist on, but you deep down you know, it's not possible. How am I supposed to get that? Definitely the universe will not be able to manifest anything for you. You need to be very clear that I am looking for a certain kind of person in my life, and I want to spend the rest of my life with that person. You need to visualize it. You need to take immense trust. You need to believe in your system and then convey the message out to the universe, and 110% your manifestation will be done in the next 24 hours. Now secondly, the second thing is that how do you do it? Now everything has a trick, everything has a technique, even as simple as falling asleep. Now how do you sleep? For sleeping, you cannot open your eyes and sleep, right? For that also you have a technique. You need to close down your eyes, you need to lie down, and then you go to sleep, right? So in the same way, manifestation also has a little technique to it. Now what happens is that you go into a state of meditation, and then you say, oh, I want this, and you do not even know that is your brain trained enough? Is your brain at the right moment? Is it particularly sending those messages to the universe in the right way? Now, what is the right way? Now, meditation does not mean you need to sit on a mountain, fold your legs, and then start, closing your eyes and then go and do the dhyan, which is the meditation. It is not like that. Meditation can be done with the state of mind. How calm is your mind? How clean is your mind? You can meditate by sitting, you can meditate even by lying down. What remains the same is the calmness of the mind. Now, how do you put your mind to calmness? There are so many noises that keeps going every second inside our mind. Every second has millions and millions of information that keeps on passing in our head. So we need to pull that noise out for a limited time. Now, how do you do it? We can always pause ourselves, take a deep breath in and a breath out. A breath in and a breath out. We can also do the left and the right kind of nostril breathing that is recommended. I'll talk about it in some other video. If you do not know, you can comment down below. I can tell you a detailed way of doing this entire process. So for the time being, you should remember that this breathing exercises helps you calming the mind. Once when your mind is calm, you close your eyes, you can see pictures rotating in front of your eyes, and then it comes very flawlessly. You can see your neighbors at the first moment. You can see a house, a car, an animal, a fountain, a water, a mountain, anything. But after a certain point of time, your mind will be so calm that the pictures or your imaginations will keep flowing. And then when the time your mind hits the dream car that you want to manifest for, the dream career that you want to manifest for, or the $1 million that you want to attract, when you train your mind to focus on what you want, and immediately the picture of that certain things come in front of your eyes, that is the right time you should send the message to the universe saying that, universe, I command you, universe, I request you to get this particular thing in my life. And within 24 hours, you will definitely get either that thing or signals that you are receiving that. If you think it works, please comment below once you start the manifestation, once you receive the present that you have asked for. If it is true, if it happens in your life, please do not forget to comment in our comment box so that the viewers also holds more trust in the universe. If you like this message, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.